Welcome. Worksheet 19. Plant Physiology. Choose the correct answer. First question. The non-directional movement that responds to touch stimuli is A. Phototrophism, B. Thigmonasty, C. Thermonasty, D. Thigmotrophism. The correct answer is option B. Thigmonasty. 2. Dug a pit 3 feet away from a coconut tree and pour water in the pit for 15 days. After that, you could observe a type of unidirectional movement of the roots towards the pit, and it's called as A. Heterotrophism, B. Phototrophism, C. Geotrophism, D. Hemotrophism. The correct answer is option A. Heterotrophism. 3. The non-directional movement of a plant pot in response to light is DAS. Thigmotrophism, thermonasty, photonasty, hydrotrophism. The correct answer is photonasty. Option C. 4. Tendrils of climbers such as Cissus quadrangularis twine around the fence and in plants of a garden. This movement towards touch is called as DAS. A. Hemotrophism, B. Geotrophism, C. Phototrophism, D. Thigmotrophism. The correct answer is option D. Thigmotrophism. 5. Non-directional movement that makes some plants like jasmine to bloom in night is called as DAS. A. Thigmonasty, B. Nyctinasty, C. Photonasty, D. Thermonasty. Correct answer is option C. Photonasty. Fill in the blanks. 6. Tropism is generally termed positive if growth is towards the stimuli and negative if it is away from the stimuli. 7. An abiotic factor DAS that regulates blooming of flower in moonflower. Answer is light. 8. Positively phototrophic and negatively geotrophic part of a plant is DAS. Answer is shoot. 9. In DAS, the flowers bloom in day and closes in the night due to a non-directional stimulus DAS. In Tarasaccum officinale, the stimulus is light. 10. A unidirectional movement DAS in which the root tip moves towards an essential source required for plant growth. The answer is hydrotrophism. That essential factor is actually water. True or false? 11. Nastic movements are temporary and reversible. True. 12. Unidirectional movements are found in all plants. True. 13. Hemotrophism is movement of a plant in response to gravity. This statement is false. The correct answer is hemotrophism is movement of a part of plant in response to chemicals. 14. Unidirectional movements are slow in action. True. 15. Shoot system is positively geotrophic. False. The correct statement is shoot system is positively phototrophic. Match the following. 16. Water. Root. 17. Light. Helianthus anus. 18. Temperature. Tulip. 19. Thigmonasty. Mimosa pudica. 20. Phototrophism. Shoot. Very short answer. 21. Define unidirectional movement and state the types of unidirectional movements in plants. Refer page number 226. Tropism is a unidirectional movement of a whole or part of a plant towards the direction of stimuli. Types: phototrophism, geotrophism, heterotrophism, thigmotrophism, and hemotrophism. 22. How photonastic movement of Tarasaccum officinale is different from Ipomia alba. For this, refer page 227. In Tarasaccum officinale, the flowers blooms in the morning and closes in the evening. But in Ipomia alba, flowers opens in the night and closes during the day. Short answer. 23. Identify the flower in the given line art. Complete the diagram and find out what kind of movement does the plant exhibit. Draw the direction of sunlight with reference to position of the flower. The flower is sunflower or Helianthus anus and the movement is photonasty. You draw the direction of the sun also. Question 24. A biology teacher and students of class 9 visited a mangrove forest nearby the school. A student inquired why the roots of some halophytes are upright. What would be the teacher's reply? Explain. Page 227 you can refer. Answer is in mangrove environment, oxygen in soil is very limited or nil. So the mangrove plants have specially modified roots called nematophores. These are lateral roots that grow upward and function in the exchange of gases. They grow out from the water and facilitate the aeration necessary for root respiration. Crossword puzzle. 1. Dash blooms in morning and closes in the evening. Tarazacum officinale. 2. The light energy is converted into chemical energy during dash photosynthesis. Dash follows the path of the sun from dawn to dusk. Helianthes anus. Transpiration creates an dash in roots. Absorption force. Response of a plant pot to touch stimulus is dash thigmonasty. Non-directional movement of a plant pot in response to light stimulus is dash photonasty. Response of a plant pot to gravity stimulus is dash geotrophism. Then down 3. Dash is necessary for continuous supply of minerals. Transpiration. 4. The leaves have minute pores called stomata. 6. Dash is a nastic movement with change in temperature. Thermonasty. For this sixth one in that puzzle, only 10 boxes are given, but the word has 11 letters. So you be careful that all columns should be filled. Thank you.